Hey everyone, John Fremmel here from Pocketables.com, and I've got the RAVPower 4-port USB charger right here. So you can kind of get a good idea of how big it is. This is a pack of cards I got from Showstoppers at CES in January, and not too much bigger than a pack of cards, a little bit thicker and a little bit more square, but that kind of gives you an idea about that. So this is this is a really nice thing. As you can see, it kind of attracts dust and hair and things like that. When you have as many animals in the house as me, that's kind of just something you have to learn how to live with. But this is a nice little gadget here. Plugs in via a normal two-prong plug-in, no bulky AC adapter or anything like that, which is nice. And it has 4 ports to charge your devices through USB power. There are 2 high voltage ones, 2.1, and then we've got the lower voltage ones or lower power ones. I don't know if I'm using the correct terminology or not. I'm not an electrician or an engineer. I don't know anything about that, but 1A for your phones. I know that tablets can go in here, phones can go in here, and they can all charge pretty much at maximum capacity, or you could charge a phone through the 2.1 for a little bit faster of a charge as well. But the nice thing about this that you don't see with a lot of portable chargers is that this can actually charge 4 different devices at the maximum rate that each one of these is rated for. That's pretty uncommon. However, there are a couple things about this that I would improve if I was RAVPower, and that's the fact that there is no internal battery in this thing. So when the power goes off, this stops working. Unlike a lot of the other products by RAVPower, this is not an external battery. This is simply a charging port. And the other thing that I kind of don't like is this really bright blue light. You can see how bright it is. And I have this set up on my desk. This is my office desk right here. But this bright light actually shines all the way back here through the door, down the hallway, into my bedroom where I sleep. And I actually have to close the door to my bedroom in order to not be kept awake by this light. So this is definitely not something you want on your bedside table, for example. Put it in an office away from where you're going to be sleeping. But yeah, those are my only 2 little gripes with this thing. But otherwise, I've been using it since day one, since I got it. It's really nice to have on my desk here because I am such a gadget hoarder. I always have tons of gadgets, whether extra cell phones like my Nexus 4 that I don't use every day, but I still want to keep charged, or Bluetooth headsets or other external batteries, whatever. I have tons of things I need to keep charged, and this will do it. You do have to provide your own USB charging cables, but most gadgets come with those automatically. On the bottom here, you'll see as well, and another hair there, but you'll see these nice grippy things, so this won't go sliding anywhere. Of course, if you put it on a dusty surface, these are going to attract dust and lint like none other, because that's just what happens with these things. But for the most part, you can just set it down, forget it, put a piece of tape over that light maybe, and it's just a nice little handy thing to have. So I'll have the full review posted on Pocketables.com. The link is under this video if you're watching this on the YouTube site, and also on Pocketables I'll have links to go ahead and purchase this if that's something you're interested in. So it is a nice handy little product from RAVPower. I'm very happy I have one. It's very useful for a gadget hoarder like me, and it comes with 2 thumbs up. John Fremmel here from Pocketables.com. Thanks for watching.